Okay. What are you gonna make with that juice?
Lemon, lime, orange, and guess what? But the inside of the orange right here, this is the orange.
Yeah, it looks like a grapefruit.
Yeah, but it's an orange.
Cool.
And look how much we got.
That's a lot of citrus.
I bet it will fill all the way up to here.
I hope so.
I bet it will overflow. I'm gonna take a break for a sec. I'm gonna wait till it gets stronger.
Okay. You want us to help with that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you actually got it.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
We have one lime left.
Oh boy. Want me to put it in there?
Yep. And look how much skin we have.
Wow. How much juice do you have?
This much, all the way to the 700 to 3. And I'm squeezing the last one out. It's out. Watch this. Watch, we're gonna strain our seeds out. No, Darby's doing it right now. Do it. Go. Go, Darby, go. Go, Darby, go. Go, Darby, go. Go, Darby. Go, Darby, go. Go, Darby, go. Go, Darby, go.
What else did we get in there? Pulp?
What's pulp?
Pulp's the little mushy stuff you see there.
Yeah. No, we didn't get any pulp in there.
All right. Now we have juice
And not
with no.
seeds and or pulp. But this is the yucky pile and this is the clean pile.
Yep. Sugar.
Sugar. I want to pour the sugar in.
Okay.
Sugar honey mixture. Lemon, orange, lime juice. In a hot pan.
It's a warm water.
Warm water and hot pan.
Kind of hot. Mostly warm.
Yeah, but most. We're pouring the sugar honey water into the drink. Right there.
To the juice. Yep.
And then it's more full right now because, yeah. Too sour. Still too sour.
At the valley.
Yeah, that's good.
Here you go.
What are you gonna call it? What flavor is it? Lemon lime?
Sour.
Here you go, please.